Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add text shadow in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to add an image of what this time? Romance I have searched for, right? And here we are going to add a good image. Okay, this is very much nice, right? Sir, any other image? Yeah, you can select any image, right? There are lots of good images. Sir, have you seen that? Yeah, I have seen that, right? Okay. Okay, this one is nice. As of now, let me put this image as background. So I've clicked on triple dot and then set image as background. And here I'm just going to write a text that is of heading, and I've selected heading, and here I'm just typing love in air. Okay, so love in air. But when I will find my love, might be you have found, or if you have not, you will soon found your love as well, my dear friend. Don't worry, God is with you. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change the color of this text. Sir, red color would suit the best because it's okay, my dear friend. I can understand your feelings. I have changed the text color to red. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on effects, right? And here in the effects, as you can see, there are effects like drop, glow, echo. Sir, can we add glow effect? Yeah, you can add the glow effect, right? Sir, but good shadow is not coming, right? So how I can add the text shadow? Yeah, my dear friend, you can also use the drop effect, right? And here you can simply decrease the transparency, and you can simply increase the offset, right? And you can increase the blurriness, right? Sir, this lady is behind the text. Can you put this text behind the lady? Yeah, my dear friend, I will do each and everything possible for you only. But before that, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes, sir, I'm doing it right now. Okay, thank you, my dear friend. I have clicked on photos and I have selected this photo again. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the background and we are going to bring this image to front. So I've clicked on triple dot and then layer and then bring to front. Sir, what else we can do? Okay, let me teach you a good effect. Sir, what good effect you are going to teach me? My dear friend, now I am going to teach you. You can select the background image and then you are going to click on edit, because I have already taught many times how to send the back behind a person image. Might be if you have seen our Simba video as well, right? So I'm going to do something different this time. So I've clicked the background image and then I've clicked on edit, and now I'm going to click on image. And here, sir, what you are going to do? Here I'm going to filters and click on see all, and here you can apply any filter. So right now I'm just looking for a duotone filter. So peppermint is very cool, right? And as it is summer, it would be good to have peppermint. Yeah, my dear friend, you can choose the peppermint effect, right? So what else we can do? Let me tell you. You can also blur the image. From here I have selected blur, and here I am going to increase the intensity of blurriness and then click on cross, and as you can see our main image is getting highlighted now, right? Sir, what else we can do? My dear friend, you can do many more things, right? Sir, this size we can decrease. I can adjust. Okay, no issues. Here you can search for gradient. Sir, the love one gradient. Yeah, my dear friend, you will find love everywhere. Now we are going to select this graphic, and we are going to increase its size. So it's looking too much nice. Can you change the color? Yeah, we can change the color by selecting the gradient graphic and then clicking on the color, and here you can select the red color. Sir, it's looking very nice. Sir, what else you can do? To watch what I else can do, just like this video if you like this, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.